Tahini obtained from ground sesame provides incredible benefits to the human body with its rich vitamin, minerals and quality oils. When this food is consumed 1 tablespoon a day, it slows down the development process of many physiological diseases. What are the benefits and side effects of tahini consumption? When and how much should be consumed? Let's examine together. You can subscribe to our channel for free before moving on to the benefit. We are here with a new informative video every day. What are the benefits of regular tahini consumption? The beneficial fatty acids contained in tahini support the growth of probiotic bacteria in the gut. The antioxidant substances it contains minimize intestinal flora problems in the digestive system. Thanks to the phenolic compounds that give tahini its density, the internal structure of the stomach is protected and it shows positive effects against stomach acid problems such as gastritis by balancing the amount of acid in the digestive system. At the same time, tahini is a source of the highest quality unsaturated fatty acids compared to vegetable oils produced today. This helps to lower LDL cholesterol levels in the body. In particular, fatty acids such as omega-3 and omega-6 cooperate with antioxidants and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. It also prevents the formation of plaque in the vessels, making it easier for the blood flow to continue at normal levels. The potassium in it controls the water balance in the body. On the other hand, tahini is very rich in fatty acids, which have important functions such as balancing the amount of sugar in the blood and controlling the way it is used by the body. In people with blood sugar fluctuation, sugar particles formed after meals become unusable by forming inappropriate bonds with protein substances in the body. This process is called glycation in the medical world. Tahini reduces the glycation formation process with the high-quality fatty acids it contains. It provides slow absorption of sugar, especially in the intestinal tissue. 1 tablespoon of tahini against diseases. Tahini has important nutrients such as iron, copper and zinc. These compounds not only stimulate the production of antioxidant cells, but also seek out free radicals in the body and neutralize them before they can damage healthy cells. In addition, tahini assumes very important responsibilities to minimize respiratory problems such as sore throat and bronchitis. Tahini for a healthier brain structure. The healthy omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids, magnesium and potassium in tahini, which heal the nervous tissues in the body, increase brain functions and prevent the formation of mental stress. Vitamin B derivatives increase the efficiency of cells in nerve tissues and take important responsibilities in the formation of myelin, which ensures the quality of brain function. At the same time, various minerals such as copper, calcium, potassium and magnesium help increase bone density and prevent osteoporosis. The iron content and the high-quality fatty acids it contains protect the bone health of the body. In addition, the fatty acids and antioxidants in its structure have cell regenerative properties. This is very beneficial for hair growth, repair and hydration. Tahini, which increases the circulation quality, helps the hair follicles to be fed in a quality manner. Tahini for a healthier skin structure. Sesame contains high levels of zinc. Zinc supports the production of collagen, which renews the skin and keeps it healthy. Zinc, which keeps the skin active and supple, fights the effects of aging by repairing damaged tissues. So is there any harm in tahini? How much and when should it be consumed? First of all, tahini has a high calorie content. The powerful compounds in it bring tahini to the high calorie threshold. So what can happen to weight problems if it is not consumed in a controlled manner? In addition, tahini, which has an intense fatty acid content, can cause discomfort in the stomach and intestines by occupying the digestive system more than necessary when consumed too much and in a short time. So how much tahini should be consumed? Experts recommend consuming a tablespoon of tahini 2 to 3 days a week, especially during periods when metabolism slows down, the immune system decreases and seasonal transitions occur. In the light of this information, you can add tahini to your diet and benefit from its long-term benefit. If you like our video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Stay well, stay informed.